Welcome back to Wicked F150. So, first, I know the videos are getting scarcer, and that's because of the new rims, tires, and coilovers for the 6-inch lift. As you guys know, if you're a subscriber and you watch all these videos, I only use the money from YouTube to modify the truck. And all of that together, it was about $4,000. So I got to make that back before I can start buying new stuff to do to the truck. And the list that is still to do to the truck is about $5,000 or $6,000. So the list is there. It's just I got to wait until I can make money back. But of course, first t-shirt. So it has Wicked F150 the whole way around on the sleeve, and then Eco Beast down the side here. I actually do really like this one. This is probably, I like it better than the hoodie. But just wanted to point it out. Don't forget, link in the description. Order some hoodies, t-shirts, whatever you want. There's plenty of different colors. Order them. But today's video is sponsored by F150 LEDs. Any lighting needs for your F-150, they got it. And there it is. Right there. So it's a big ass light bar. It's actually 50-inch. I got it from F150 LEDs. It was actually in their R&D department, and I emailed them, you know, all these shows coming up. Let's brighten it up a little bit. So that's what I got. I just hooked it up today. It is, of course, still their Paladin series. That is what they use, the Paladin series, for their light bars, of course. And then for the cubes, that's their Spartan series. You can get those for, of course, the rear like I have, which are amazing. Or if you have a Raptor bumper, they have them to fit in there as well, in the empty fog light place that Ford decided not to give you fog lights on a $70,000 truck. But F150 LEDs has you covered on that. Now, this light bar, all I did was mount it to the pre-existing holes already in the mount for the roll bar. That was custom made by Iron Goat Garage here in Yukon, Oklahoma. Ran the wire around here to the side, and then 3M taped it to the back to keep it hidden and it's not dangling or anything like that. Ran it in behind the seal and of course up the bottom underneath, right alongside the wire for the amp steps. Let's get under here and take a look. There you go. Zip tied here and here, down there, and here. That would be the positive and negative for the light bar going up through the wheel well, which is then ran straight to the battery, of course. Well, the positive is. The negative is just on a bolt here on the frame, because that's not aluminum, and it's actually a ground. So that's how that is wired. It's that simple, no big deal. Now the switch is actually, I split it, or they had it split off perfectly to where I could put it in that cross mount right here. See the wire coming out? And I ran it up this wheel well and in through the same seal on the firewall that I did for the front light bar. And let's unlock. And there's the switch. Now, as you guys can see, I do not have the other switch that looks exactly like that for the front light bar, because Iron Go Garage put these switches in for me. Now, this one is for the front light bar. This one, I'm gonna have to wait to show you what this one is for, just until I get the other bumper back so I can do it all together. But this is the switch for the rear one, and I'll probably have them put another, the exact same switch right below to keep it, you know, the same, because this just doesn't look good. But let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see what it looks like. So that is super bright. So it's not completely dark yet, but there's plenty of light. Now, for anybody that will comment saying, why is it up there? It's useless, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, the shade where the truck is, it's not going to do me any good to see where when I need it. So I'm on an incline. The truck, my driveway is inclined. Okay. So one, it's not actually going to be that high for one, and you can adjust it. All you would do is loosen the nut there and on the other side and adjust it up and down, whichever way you need it to go. I think I got it perfectly to where whenever I am on a flat surface, it will be in front of me. Now, I don't need it to hit the ground. I have their F150 LEDs, low beams, high beams, and we'll be having their fog lights as well, finally, put in once the new bumper comes back. I'm getting it powder coated. But, so those will be in. So I'll have all their lights up front, which are super bright, the brightest bulb by far that I've had. And I have their lower light bar, so the ground is covered. This up here will be able to light up everything farther away for me to have a wider viewing pattern, which is why you want a bigger light bar up here. A lot of people put them up there. And honestly, I wasn't a fan of light bars up there to begin with. I really like the front one because it's hidden in unused space in the bumper. It is perfect. I was mixed about putting this on, but I really like it. I did the install this afternoon, waited till now, of course, so you guys could see the light, see the pattern, but seeing it in the daylight, just seeing it on, I mean, you guys can see it now, it's light enough for it, but I still like it. It looks pretty good. It's probably gonna stay there, depending on how bad the wind noise is, which I will do in a long-term review video. But as usual, bright as hell. I mean, you can never go wrong with F150 LEDs at all. Good Lord. Let's turn everything on. Well, I don't have the front light bar in the bumper. That's still on the other bumper. So that we're gonna lose out. But that is a lot of light, man. And of course I used ForceScan so I can have my lows and highs on at the same time, and fogs if they were there. So highs, lows, fogs, 20-inch light bar from F150 LEDs, and a 50-inch light bar from F150 LEDs. I don't think I'll have a problem seeing anywhere I go. Trying to get a trip somewhere at some point, probably to Colorado or something like that. A little overlanding camping adventure, and those will definitely come in handy on those types of scenarios. But let's go ahead and turn these off. Okay. Man, look how clean this looks. Detailed the outside and the inside today, or yesterday actually. Man, it looks good, doesn't it? It's so clean. Whoops, forgot that one. That is a problem with having light bars. You gotta make sure you turn them back off. You're gonna come out to a dead battery. But as usual, nothing but perfection from F150 LEDs. Take a look at the website, f150leds.com. Go on there. They have anything you could want. Now, they do have one to mount here. It'll mount right here in the corner. They have a big old light bar. It goes the whole way across the front here on this trim piece. And then, of course, the one here, which is a 20-inch. I think this one's a 39, I think. But that one's a 20-inch. It sits right in there. And that one's bright. I do already have a video on the lower one. You feel free to check it out. I will put it in a card up in the corner. So just click on it, watch the video. But man, let me know what you guys think. I'm sure I'll get a lot of shit for having too many lights, light bars. But that's the thing. Everybody has their own taste. I actually do like it. And there is... Hope you like it. I will see you guys next time. Probably this weekend from the auto show. And of course, have to film some of that. The bumper should be on. Like I said, powder coated, because for whatever reason, my paint job twice sucked. It did the same process as the fenders, and no issues with them, but the bumper sucked. So it's getting powder coated. There is a change with the bumper. If you follow on Instagram or Facebook, you already know what the change is. And of course, a change with the roll bar, not including the light bar. But I hope you guys have a great week. A little bit warmer weather here this week, so I'm definitely going to enjoy that, and I wish I had more stuff to do to the truck now that we have nicer weather. But hit the like, subscribe button. See y'all next time.